noting that the late Odinga's distinguished public service career spanned over 4 decades, during which he played a pivotal role in Kenya's transition to multi-party democracy, the advancement of constitutional reforms, and the deepening of good governance, accountability, and inclusivity leadership. Appreciating his lifelong commitment to the ideals of democracy, freedom, and justice, his central role in the enactment of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, his tireless advocacy for devolution and equitable development, his dedication to reconciliation and peace building through the 2008 National Accord and Reconciliation Act. Further appreciating his passion for unifying African countries and promoting Africa's economic integration, and as the African Union High Representative for Infrastructure Development in Africa, he championed regional integration, cross-border infrastructure, connectivity, and the continent's social economic advancement. Recognizing that the late Odinga stood as a symbol of resilience and courage, dedicating his life to the struggle for democratic space, social justice, social and economic transformation, youth empowerment, national unity, even in the face of great personal sacrifice, and his enduring legacy as a visionary statesman who inspired generations of leaders across Kenya and the African continent.
Further aware that the late Right Honorable Raila Odinga, EGH, served as the Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya between the year 2008 and 2013, and previously held various senior positions in government, including Cabinet Minister for Energy, Roads, Public Works and Housing, and as a long-serving Member of Parliament for Langata constituency, serving 4 consecutive parliamentary terms from 1992 to 2013. Noting that the late Odinga's distinguished public service career spanned over 4 decades.
I am very privileged to stand here and talk of a life of a man that changed my life and changed of our nation. We are not here merely to lament a life lost, but to own a legacy that will endure.
And from that moment, he became a father figure to me. He also became a mentor and someone who really believed in me. I know when I say that, I'm speaking on behalf of the entire Maasai community, who also viewed him not only as a father figure, but also as a mentor and a defender. For many years, our community has been terrorized, stigmatized, their land rights taken away from them. But the Right Honorable Prime Minister stood firmly in defense of the Maasai land rights.
Inapaswa ikumbukwe wazi ya kwamba Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga yeye ndiye amepigania ugatuzi kwa hali na mali, kwa sababu yeye mwenyewe alijua ya kwamba Wakenya wote wanapaswa kupata huduma, na ndiposa akawa mstari wa mbele kupigania ugatuzi. Na katiba hii tunayojivunia wakati huu alikuwa katika mstari wa mbele kuipigania. Kwa hivyo tunamkumbuka kwa kujitolea kwake.
Raila Odinga alikuwa shujaa, na alikuwa shujaa kwa kupigania mwananchi, na mpango alikuwa ataka mwananchi aweze kufaidika nayo, na amekufa akipigania mwananchi, kwa sababu mwananchi, agenda ya mwananchi ni mambo ya maji iwe masinani, ni mambo ya parapara. Alikuwa ataka parapara itoke kutoka Mombasa ikunje Nairobi na iende mpaka Marapa, na mambo ya SGR.
Raila Odinga hakuwa mtu ambaye alikuwa anaogopa kukosolewa, na wakati mwingi alikuwa akikosolewa na kimya. Raila Odinga pia alikuwa mtu ambaye alifungwa bila hata kufunguliwa mashtaka, na hakuweka hiyo moyoni. bali alijiunga na viongozi wale ambao walikuwa wanapingana naye na kuendelea mbele.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I don't know how to mourn Raila. I don't know whether to mourn him as a statesman, to mourn him as a forgiving, focused human being, to mourn him as the enigma that he was celebrated to be. I don't know how to mourn him, but I know how to celebrate him as a man who stood for something